Hey guys, welcome to the Top 5 List channel. Are you looking best remote control inverter in this video? I will show you the top 3 best remote control inverter to buy right now on your budget. I made this list based on my personal opinion and research, and I have a list of them based on their quality, durability, price, and more to find out more information about these products. You can check out the links in the description box. Also, make sure you subscribe, up to date with the latest technology video. Okay, so let's get started with the video. As the item number 3 we selected, Foval Inverter. Specifications. Brand name, Foval. Type, DC/AC inverters. Size, 450mm 180mm 140mm. Output frequency, 50 Hz. Output type, single. Is _customized, yes. Output power, 4000 watts. Weight, 6 kg. Certification, CE. Input voltage, 12 volts/24 volts. Output voltage, 220 volts to 240 volts. The item number 2 is Pure Sine Wave Inverter. Specifications. Brand name, Foval. Output frequency, 50 Hz. Input voltage, DC 12 volts. Output voltage, AC 220 plus or minus 10%. Conversion efficiency, 0.9. Rated power, 4000 watts. Frequency, 50 Hz. Input voltage, 12 volts. Output voltage, 220 volts or 230 volts. On the top of our list at number 1 we have Vijing 8000 watts. Specifications. Brand name, no N name _null. Type, DC/AC inverters. Output frequency, 50 Hz, 60 Hz. Output type, dual. Is _customized, yes. Output power, 4000 watts to 6000 watts. Model number, Vijing 8000 watts. Certification, CE. Output waveform, pure sine wave.